Searching for soundproofing for your home studio and everything looks the same? Same black foam, same wedge shapes, same high density claims. But the real difference isn't in the photos, it's in how they actually perform when you're trying to record vocals or mix tracks without echo messing it all up. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works.
Product number 1, Sai-Cheng 12-pack wedge foam. The Sai-Cheng 12-pack of 1-inch wedge foam panels at just $13.99. What caught my eye was the price to density ratio. 30 kilograms per cubic meter is solid for budget foam, and they're vacuum packed, which keeps shipping costs down. If you want basic echo reduction without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These panels are designed to absorb mid to high frequency reflections, the kind that cause harshness in vocal recordings or muddy guitar tones. The wedge shape increases surface area, helping diffuse sound waves instead of just bouncing them back. They're fire resistant and non-toxic, which is important if you're spending hours in a small room. Over 1,000 bought in the past month shows people are using them, and the included double-sided tape makes installation quick. Just remember, leave them out 24-48 hours after unboxing so they fully expand. Now, some people complained about the tape not sticking well on textured walls. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to be a permanent heavy-duty solution. If your walls are smooth drywall, they'll hold fine, but if you've got popcorn ceilings or rough surfaces, you'll need stronger adhesive. Still, for under $15, you're getting decent acoustic treatment that noticeably cuts down flutter echo. This is perfect for you if you're setting up a small vocal booth or gaming stream room on a tight budget. Skip this one if you need serious low-end control or are treating a large mixing space. For the price, it's a solid starting point.
Product number 2, SD SoDock 24-pack pyramid foam. If the Sai-Cheng's thin 1-inch profile felt too basic, this next one takes a different approach. The SD SoDock 24-pack uses a pyramid design and doubles the thickness to 2 inches, all for $34.99. That extra depth makes a real difference in absorbing lower frequencies, which is exactly what you need when recording drums or bass-heavy tracks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pyramid shape isn't just for looks. It scatters sound waves more effectively than flat or wedge designs, reducing standing waves and room modes that distort your mixes. With a high NRC rating, these panels target both echo and reverb, creating a more neutral listening environment. They're also Climate Pledge Friendly certified, so you're not breathing in weird fumes during long sessions. Installation is straightforward with adhesive or tape, though you'll need to buy that separately. Now, some people complained about the foam tearing during installation. Here's the thing though, this happens mostly if you rush the process or use low-quality adhesives. Take your time, press firmly, and avoid overstretching. The material is durable, but like all polyurethane foam, it's not indestructible. Still, for under $35, you're getting professional-grade diffusion and absorption that noticeably improves room tone. This is perfect for you if you're building a mid-tier home studio and want better sound control than basic wedges. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget or only need minimal treatment. The extra thickness and coverage make it a smart upgrade.
Product number 3, Tem Guam 54-pack with adhesive. That was a solid option, but the next one might actually be even better for covering larger areas fast. The Tem Guam 54-pack gives you serious coverage, over 50 square feet for $35.99, and comes with 270 adhesive stickers. That's a lot of panels, and the included mounts save you time and money. Here's why this matters for you specifically. More panels mean you can treat not just the front wall, but side walls, ceiling corners, and even the back of your desk, key spots where reflections build up. The wedge cut pattern allows flexible arrangements, so you can customize the layout based on your room's acoustics. Made from high-density polyurethane, they recover quickly after unpacking and resist sagging over time. At just under 6 pounds total, they're lightweight but effective. Now, some people complained about the adhesive failing after a few months. Here's the thing though, this is common with peel and stick options, especially in humid environments. If you want them to last, use a combo of the included stickers and a small daub of construction adhesive. It's not perfect, but for the coverage and ease of setup, it's a trade-off many are willing to make. This is perfect for you if you're treating a full room and want maximum coverage without hiring a pro. Skip this one if you prefer permanent mounting or have very uneven walls. For under $36, it's one of the best values for full room treatment. Product number 4, J-Bear 12-pack fire retardant foam. If you like the Saikyang, but want something with stronger safety credentials, the J-Bear 12-pack at $13.99 is nearly identical, but with certified fire resistance. That might not sound exciting, but in a home studio with electronics and cables, peace of mind matters. Here's why this matters for you specifically. J-Bear uses the same 30 kg per meter cubed high-density foam, so performance is on par with the first pick. But they back their flame-retardant claims with third-party testing, which not all budget brands do. The wedge design still does the job on echoes, and they expand reliably after unpacking. Plus, they're customizable. You can cut them to fit around outlets or speakers. Now, some people complained about a slight chemical smell at first. Here's the thing though, this fades within a day or two, especially with ventilation. It's not toxic, just off-gassing from the foam curing process. If you're sensitive to odors, let them air out before installing. This is perfect for you if safety is a priority and you want reliable, no-frills absorption. Skip this one if you need thick panels or are treating a large space. It's a smart, safe choice for small setups.
Product number 5, Nepe's 20-pack brick design panels. If you want sound treatment that actually looks good, the Nepe's 20-pack stands out. At $49.99, they're pricier, but the brick pattern design doubles as wall decor. No more ugly foam ruining your room's vibe. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These aren't just foam. They're made from high-density polyester with an NRC over 0.95, meaning they absorb more sound across frequencies than typical polyurethane. The 0.4-inch thickness is thinner, but the material density compensates. And since they're self-adhesive, installation is clean and tool-free. No tape, no mess. Now, some people complained they're too thin for serious bass control. Here's the thing though, these are best for mid-high frequencies and aesthetic integration, not full isolation. Pair them with bass traps if you need low-end control. This is perfect for you if you want functional sound treatment that doesn't look like a recording booth. Skip this one if you're on a budget or need maximum thickness. For style and performance, they're unique.
So which one's best? For tight budgets, go Saikyang or JBR. Need more coverage? Temquam's 54-pack is hard to beat. Want better diffusion? SD Sodoc's pyramid design wins. And if you care about looks, Nepes blends function and style. No single solution fixes everything, but any of these will make your home studio sound noticeably cleaner. Pick based on your space, budget, and priorities.